I dropped that. What is that? Someone deletes the that thing. What do you call it? Uh, Caption of that uploads. So in my house, while I was in Chembur, I checked the portable hard disk, and now the portable hard disk must be with scammers and providing it to police. Whatever they world, whatever they wanna do, they let them do it. So in 2012, while we were on a vacation, they accessed into our house. So those pictures are also there in 2012 while we were out. New Year's Eve. Every year we used to go. But after 2014, I left that thing. After 2014, uh, everyone knows I ran wild after that. So before that, we used to go with family um, every year. So we went to Shirdi, Sai Baba Darshan, and some Baba entered my house. Some Jholar Baba. So we have those pictures with our family. So we go on vacation, we go on holy places for darshan of Sai Baba, and some Jholar Baba entered my house and accessed into those files in 2012, 31st December, while we were out. That's how I came to know about 2012. So they were after me from 2012. Maybe before that, but I have no trace of that. So that's the game. Folder forensics is there. A lot of stuff is there. My images are there. That portable hard disk is the death of the scam. Trust me, that's why I dropped it there. Where they can take it, use it, and lose it everything they have. Lose it everything they created. There's a guy on the rooftop, huh? He's on the edge. I don't know. He has no security there. Two guys are there on the. I don't know. It's life threatening. He's not wired or gripped by anything. He might fall down. Now he went away. So it's not my thing, but he shouldn't die. If he's the help of scammers of some kind, I don't give a fuck, but he shouldn't die. I don't like this thing. So anyways, uh, on the terrace he was. I said roof. We have a habit of calling roof on building. We are not building people. I said. Mm. So those animal morph files and all those. So everything was accessed on 31st December 2012 while we were on vacation. And that's all institute data, honey. And when I copied that my institute files in my portable hard disk, I didn't copy one by one. I copied the entire folder. And the folder is made 2008. So folder forensics will happen. Chutiya sale. बदिर लौड़े के लोग हैं. There was a tech help there over there. Institute it is. I mean, I'll bring some more stuff in on light, but I have to wait 1 week. I have planned for this. धीरे धीरे मारेंगे, एक साथ नहीं. Stolen papers and all the stuff won't mean anything to me. Yeah. Come on, they have to move everywhere with those stolen, what do you call it? Line tested machine, line tested papers, and I have to move with only one single sketch. Because I know the treatment of those stolen papers, which they cannot tell. No one can. Chudis are. I know the treatment, what has been done. So all their life I have to move here and there with those stolen luggage paper, everything. I don't have to. Only I have to move with one single paper. So the portable thing which they have done, they have applied for job from my name, because the file forensics will show my name, and if they have used their name, so their theft is caught in front of the world. There is a folder forensics, file forensics, every forensics, and the images, the videos, the data, the everything. Is of who? It's me and my family and this guy who had hair on his head from those days. Now he is completely Chamanpuri. Stolen, and look, that guy came again. No, now he. It's a risky thing. He was on the edge. He might have got. Something might go wrong. बेंचो अपने को क्या है? Life is a life. इनकी क्या life है? बच्चे बूढ़े इनको किसको छोड़ते ही है? बच्चों पे एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे, बूढ़ों को लूट रहे, जवानों के नंगे वीडियो बना रहे. कौन है? नीच लोग है. इनकी जो मैं माँ चोद रहा हूँ, बराबर चोद रहा हूँ. समझा?